Hello, my wonderful people. How are you? Compliment of the season to every one of us. Yes, by the special grace of God, 2025 will be a year of multiple celebration in our lives. I want to say thank you for your continuous support, for your love and everything. I really do appreciate you. So guys, welcome to class. Keep liking, keep loving. I love you all. So for this tutorial, I've already cut out my materials, and the material I'll be using for this tutorial is doll face. Yes, it's a non-stretchy fabric, and you can see I have cut it out and it's on fold. The length of this base is 32 by 15 on fold. So if you open that side, it will be 30. So 32 length by 15 on fold. So I'll set that aside. And this is for our V shape. I'm having two sides of band here because it's going to be two step. The small shape is 4 inches by 20, and the big one here is 5.5 inches by 20. On is two of it, two of it each. And this is the belt. Is 3.5 by 15 times 2. Yes, 3.5. So for this our ruffles, because I can't get a long length, I need length of 100. But what I did here, I need length of 80 rather than 100. What I did here is I cut 40 in two places. I'll be joining it so that I can get 80. The other fabric I'll be using for ruffles, I've not cut it out. That one will also be 100 by 6.5. This one is 80 by 6.5. So I cut 40 into 2. So I'll be joining it to give us 80. The other one will be 100 by 6.5. We are going to be needing 2 for the ruffle. So for this V shape, I took the small pieces. You know how to do V shape now. Yeah. So this is how I'm going to be folding it and crossing it. Then I'll pin it down. Then you can sew it. Yes, sew it like that from one end to the other. Then you get the big band also. The one that measures 5.5 by 20. You do the same thing to this one. Cross it also, pin it down and sew. Yeah. So after sewing, you place it on each other like this. The small one will be on top. Yes, you can see the V pleat and it's a double step. You place it and join it together. As you can see, I've done that and I've trimmed off all the excess. It's very, very neat. So the next thing we're going to be doing now is to get our body, the body of our turban, turn it to the other side, fold it into two, just turn the wrong side out. This is a non-stretchy fabric. That is why we have that head circumference that measures 32. Yes, we'll be using belt for it. So I fold the wrong side out like this. You can see facing me. So we are going to fold it into two like this, and then you are going to notch the middle. You're going to notch the middle because we are going to be attaching our V band to it. So everything has to align. After notching the middle, I'm ensuring that the notch is visible. That is what I'm doing here. So after notching, I will flip one side open. You can see we'll place our V band like this. We'll turn it, align the V point to face you. Then flip one side of this body part open and place it, allowing the notch part to meet with the middle point of the V band. Then pin it down. Please always use your pin for a proper work. It will not be shifting from one side to the other. You understand? So I use my pin a lot. So I'll pin it down like this, then close the other one on it. Then what I'm trying to do here is, can you see that line? If you are going to sew, ensure that you sew a little bit above the line or on the line exactly, because if you don't do that, it's going to show. It will show after you turn it out. You'll be seeing the line of the band that you have already sewn, which is not nice at all. So after that, we know what to do here. Close it and then just sew it round. Close it and sew it round. You know how you are going to we don't even need any measurement for here for this part because it's a non-stretchy fabric, so it has to be very, very big. This is me showing you the belt. Just sew the belt on the wrong side and turn it out. That is all. I'll set that aside. Then for our ruffle, this is how I'm going to turn it. I'll face the right side to the right side, then the wrong side will face me. I'll just join it. After joining it, I will also turn it like this on the wrong side to sew it down. You know, look at me here. I've done my turban and I've also attached the belt. What I did was that from the back point, the sewing line, I measured like 2.5 apart, and I attached my belt on each side. I measured 2.5. So if you tie it now, it will fit any head size. It must fit, it must stay. So this is me. I have joined my ruffle, the material I told you about. So on that sewn line, you can see that is where we are going to be running our gather stitch. You can see I also close the end of both sides. So the next thing we are going to do here is we are going to get our needle and thread. Please note that anything I do here, I will also be doing to the other material, because at this point I have not cut out the other measurement of the ruffle that measures 6.5 by 100. This one measures 6.5 by 80. If you cannot get long length, just join it, ensure that it's 100. So I'm going to run my gathers like maybe 1.5 inches apart, just the way I'm running it. I'll run it down to the end of the pieces, and after that, this is what I got. You can see it. Please don't tighten it up, don't gather it tight, just allow it loose a bit. My video is self-explanatory. Even if I did not explain, you understand. It will be, if you are watching it alone, you understand what I'm doing. So I didn't gather it tightly. See what I'm doing. I will make sure, sorry for the word, I will ensure that I put the two together like this. Then I'll begin to tack it together. I know you understand it. I'll begin to tack it together like this. From that beginning to the end, you are going to be patient because you have to pick everything. You pick it, ensuring that one end joins with the other end, and you will tack it together. This is what you are going to be doing, you know, till you get to the end of these pieces. So let's go, guys. If you have watched this video to this level, I know you are really enjoying it. Please don't forget to always comment, like. If there is any other thing you don't understand, please, you can message me, you can reach me. Yeah, you can reach me. As you can see here, I have already done it. I finished it. So I will go and attach it on my turban base. You can see I just attached it. So this is the other one. I've been able to cut it out, and I did the same thing I did here, but it's just that it's a bit longer. You know, the top one measures 100. So you do the same thing. The first one, I used needle and thread to attach it to the turban base, but this point, I'll be using my needle to attach that point. Then the other side, I will use my candle glue. Yes, we are done. Oh, it's as simple as ABC. And I had to put my turban leaf to make that back look bulky and not droppy. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you. I love you all. Please, if you don't understand anything or you need more explanation, you can contact me or drop a message for me. Bye guys, love you. Bye.